Hi friends, I present to you a recipe for a complete dinner, lazy legs. The good thing about this recipe is that the main course and side dish are cooked together. The dish is prepared simply, but it turns out to be very tasty and satisfying. Let's start with the side dish. Peel the onion and cut it into small cubes. Fry in vegetable oil until translucent. Peel and rub the carrots on a coarse grater. Add to the onion and fry until golden brown. Now add the washed rice and fry for 3 minutes. Add corn, salt and spices and fry for a couple of minutes. Put the fried mass in a heat-resistant dish and distribute evenly. Add 2 cups boiling water or hot broth. Rub the chicken drumstick on all sides with salt and your favorite spices. We lay out the legs for the future side dish. Cover the form with foil. We send our next dinner to an oven preheated to 200 degrees for an hour. To make the legs of the mute fried, remove the foil 10 minutes before the end and fry. Our lazy dinner is ready. Serve hot. You can sprinkle with finely chopped herbs. Bon appetit! Like and subscribe to the channel, there is still a lot of tasty and interesting ahead of you. See you.